GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like, press the bell notification, do all of that. Below the video, you will find these links. Go and join Telegram if you want some free signals. So check out the prop firm brokers right here. Join them and start your trading journey using my link, and then pay my fees if you want to for an analysis, because I record these videos on Sunday mainly or in the weekend only, because I don't have any motivation to do this for people on daily basis. People are retarded. People are like, so selfish. And I'm just going to be like you. Okay. So whatever I'm doing, and that is still charity. Otherwise, I don't really have this need to do it. I'm happy in my own technical analysis, and I know how to make money. Okay. This is a charity for people who are here looking for these analysis. Okay. So if you don't pay my fees, just go. Otherwise, I don't care. And coming back to the chart, starting your top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a rejection. This is your hammer. Okay, so this was your supposed to be new. This was supposed to be your new downtrend pullback, but I think we will continue the uptrend. So coming back to daily, in daily we have closed above the EMI. So this was your uptrend. Now, if you go and watch my previous Sunday GBPUSD analysis video, okay, go and watch my last GBPUSD analysis video. I think we were on this candle, or maybe on this 15th of August. Yeah. So we were on 15th of August when I was recording the last video, and I told you that this is your double top. Okay, so this was your double top, and double top means reversal. So last week, which is just ended yesterday, has these four or five these red candles. Okay, so which means until Thursday GBP was down. This was your signal. Okay, so you could have easily made like 35.58 until here 34. So you could have easily made 150 pips in 4 days from Monday to Thursday if you traded short on GBPUSD, because on Sunday I told you this was your top, double top. Okay, anyways, so what we have now, if you want official confirmation, then let this high break. Okay, if this high is broken, that will be the official confirmation that the trend is continuing towards the upside. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour we have closed above the EMI. That's good. Now what are you going to do? This high is broken, this high is broken, so confirmation has come in 4 hour already that we are in the uptrend. Look for longs after the pullback. So pullback, let the pullback happen in 4 hour, then blue candle, then go longs. So look for longs in GBPUSD. That's I will say. That is what I will say. If you like what you see, then I don't really care, because I know people. Okay, let me tell you one example. I'm not complaining because I don't really care. I'm just doing this because I can't keep myself quiet. Okay, I have this good habit or bad habit, I don't know, but I'm talkative on the internet. So if I have to make videos on YouTube, I can talk for like a number of hours. I can keep talking for hours and hours. Okay, but what I want to show you is that look at these 57 views. Okay, I don't care if you made money with my videos or not. I don't care if my analysis was 100% correct or not. What I see is 4 likes here out of 57 views. Now I'm not dying for your likes or dislikes. You can even dislike for that matter. Okay, I don't care. Okay, the problem with humans out there who are watching is ego issues. There are ego issues. Oh, why should I like his video? He's making money. Yeah, I'm making money because I'm working hard. Okay, I have earned this knowledge not because of you. I worked my ass off to get this knowledge. Okay, so look at 57 views and not even 10-15 likes. Okay, so it's not about me dying for likes or views. I don't really care. I don't even come on the fucking camera. Okay, I'm not making, I'm not here making a career on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is just only because I can't keep my, I want to be busy all the time. So during the whole week, Monday to Friday, I'm busy in trading for myself. If I'm not busy on Saturday, Sunday, then I make videos. That's it. Okay, but still, people who are so retarded out there, people who are watching the video, they will still not like the video, and they just go by. I don't care. Okay, so it's not my duty to, okay, because if you get this knowledge for free, appreciate it. What I'm telling you for free, that's worth thousands and thousands of dollars, and you will understand that one day when somebody rips you off for thousands of dollars in there some stupid course. Okay, so karma hits back. Everybody knows karma returns. Anyways, I'm doing my job. If you like what you see, or if you don't like what you see, who really cares? I don't, because I'm making my money. Okay, subscribe, like if you want to. Otherwise, if your ego is too much, then mine is bigger than you. Take care.